Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and as I continue my coverage for iOS 13 here on the channel, I want to continue sharing these awesome features that Apple has brought to the platform. And I do have to say, I haven't had this much fun using iOS since my last jailbroken iPhone in iOS 12. This iOS 13 is so complete. It has so many awesome features, and today I want to share one of the features that Apple announced that's coming to iOS 13 at WWDC, and that is a download manager for Safari on iPad. However, this is also available on iPhone, and let me show you how this works, how you download content in Safari without having to download any applications from the App Store or anything like that. So for example, let's say I'm browsing through Apple's website here just as an example, and I have this watch film here, which is for the iPhone. I can tap and hold on the film actual link there, and you see that I get this new pop-up menu. We have open new tab, open new window, download linked file, add to read list, copy, and share. So when we click download linked file, take a look at the top right here. We get the iOS 13 download manager that's built into Safari taken to action. Now this will be saved to the Files application built into iOS. I'm so happy that Apple did add this feature to the iPadOS as well as to the iPhone OS. So for example, I'm on Apple's website here, and let's say I want to download a film here. Same concept applies. Let's say right here I want to watch this ad here and save it for later so I can watch it without a network connection. Just tap and hold, download file right there. Boom, it starts downloading right there. You see the download manager built into iOS 13, and there it is. Now, once the file is done downloading, as I mentioned, this will go into the Files application on your iPhone, and then you'll be able to play back this content without having to have a network connection later. So very useful if you're out and about, you don't have a network connection, you don't have a data connection, or you just want to save your data. You can download these files at home, these videos and content using Safari, and later on, you can simply watch them without a network connection. And as I mentioned, iOS 13 is just so much fun to use. This is by far the best version of iOS ever. So there it is, the file is done downloading. Now I can go over to the Files application, go to Browse, and right here I can watch the video right on my iPhone. And I can also export it and save this video to the camera roll of my iPhone as well if I just want to save it to the camera roll. Again, all the same features and actions apply throughout iPadOS and iOS. So I just wanted to share that very awesome new feature in iOS 13, the download manager for Safari. I hope you guys found this feature helpful. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about iOS 13? If you have it installed, do you like it? I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.